Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Amir Issacs, VP of Partnerships at EndoTech, and today we're going to learn how to execute a withdrawal using Gemini. In order to withdraw funds to an external wallet, you will need to click on the transfer button on the right top corner and hit Withdraw from Gemini. Choose the currency you're looking to transfer, then paste EndoTech's wallet address. Type in the sending amount and authenticate yourself. Once the withdrawal is complete, Gemini will provide you with a transaction ID on the withdrawal history page or by email. This can take up to 30 minutes. Make sure you copy the TXID to EndoTech's dashboard upon connecting a strategy, or send it to our support team upon receiving a profit share mail. For more information regarding withdrawals and payments, please get in touch with our support team and make sure your strategies are connected and active. Good luck and thank you for choosing EndoTech.